Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bloom's taxonomy in test development. First, understand that Bloom's taxonomy provides a structured framework for classifying learning objectives. It outlines 6 distinct cognitive levels, moving from simpler recall to more complex critical thinking. By aligning your test questions with these levels, you can create assessments that accurately measure a wide range of student abilities, ensuring a thorough and fair evaluation of their learning journey. Let's dive into the 6 levels. Remember, focuses on recalling information, like defining terms. Understand is about explaining concepts, such as summarizing a text. Apply involves using knowledge in new scenarios, like solving a math problem. Analyze means breaking down information, perhaps comparing 2 theories. Evaluate is judging value, like critiquing an argument. Finally, create is about producing something new, such as designing an experiment. Now let's align your test questions. For the remember level, ask students to define key terms or list facts. To assess understand, have them explain concepts in their own words. For apply, present scenarios where they must use learned information. Analyze questions might involve comparing and contrasting. Evaluate requires making judgments, and create tasks involve producing something new. Aim for a balanced mix to thoroughly assess learning. Using Bloom's taxonomy in test development offers significant benefits. It ensures your assessments are comprehensive, covering both foundational knowledge and advanced critical thinking. This approach helps you create clear learning objectives and measure student progress more effectively. Remember to regularly review and refine your questions, perhaps every semester, to maintain their relevance and challenge. Collaborating with peers can also enhance the quality and consistency of your assessments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.